Instant pot butter chicken. Maybe the trend, but what if I told you that you could make this authentic butter chicken recipe, the way Indian restaurants do it, in less time than it takes to pull a pint of Guinness? The secret is in the butter chicken sauce recipe, and I'm about to show you a technique most home cooks have never heard of. Once you try this, you'll never settle for takeout again. Now, confession time, I completely forgot to add the lemon juice and ginger paste to the marinade the night before. Yeah, I know, it was a total rookie move. The next morning off camera, I had to sneak them in and mix it all back together. Have you ever had a kitchen fail like that? Let me know. I'd love to hear your funniest kitchen goof-ups. Some people make butter chicken with coconut milk, which leans towards a South Indian style. Slow cooked, mildly sweet, and extra creamy. But this authentic butter chicken recipe follows the true North Indian method. Yogurt marinated chicken, a tangy tomato-based sauce, and bold spices that bring serious depth of flavour. Want to experiment? Try a twist like butter chicken with chickpeas or butter chicken with potatoes. Both are game changers. I first fell in love with this dish at a legit Indian restaurant in Dublin. My go-to was always butter chicken with naan bread, sometimes a keema naan from North India or a sweet and nutty Peshwari naan. What's your favourite naan? Peshwari, keema or plain? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're vegetarian, this dish works beautifully as butter chicken with tofu or butter chicken with paneer. Paneer is a cheese from India. By the way, if this video does well, I might even drop a slow cooker butter chicken recipe. I've got an instant pot upstairs. If that's something you'd love to see, hit the like button and let me know. Now, let's talk about butter chicken nutrition facts. This dish isn't just delicious, it's surprisingly high in protein. 600 calories per serving and a whopping 40 grams of protein. So not only is it comforting, it's pretty nutritious too. When it comes to how to make butter chicken at home, the key is in the marinade. A good butter chicken marinade recipe starts with yogurt, a touch of lemon juice, seriously don't forget it like I did, and a blend of spices to tenderize the chicken and infuse it with flavour. Once that's done, the sauce comes together quickly and it's honestly foolproof. You can even serve this with almost anything. Chips, fries, spuds or even paneer, but today we're going for the classic butter chicken with basmati rice. And don't forget, when plating up, to add those finishing touches. Sliced red chilies, diagonally of course, whole or chopped cilantro, some people call it coriander leaves, and a sprinkle of chopped cashews. That's how to serve butter chicken, the right way. Never forget, the first bite is taken with the eyes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss the next recipe. You're part of the notification gang. And here's the deal. Try this authentic butter chicken recipe at home, snap a picture and tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations and might even feature some of them in my next video. Until next time, happy cooking. And there you have it, folks. What you're looking at, or should I say drooling over, right now is an authentic Indian butter chicken recipe.